Hello. In this third part, we will learn how to calculate the average molecular weights for the polymers. So the learning objective for this part is solving numerical problems on different types of average molecular weights, that is number average molecular weight and weight average molecular weight for the polymer. So let's begin with the problem 1. A polymer sample contains 30% molecules with molecular weight 20,000, 40% with molecular weight 30,000 and rest 30% with molecular weight 60,000. Calculate the number average molecular weight and weight average molecular weight for the given sample. In this type of problems, the actual number is not given, but the percentage is given. So we will consider these percentage as equivalent to number of molecules. Okay. So our strategy is we start with the formula for number average molecular weight, which consists of Mn bar is equal to summation of Ni into Mi upon summation of Ni. So in place of these number of polymer molecules, we will take this percentage 30%, 40% and 30%. So substituting for Ni and Mi, we can write the formula as 30 into 20,000 plus 40 into 30,000 plus 30 into 60,000. So this gives you the numerator upon the total number of polymer units. That means 30% plus 40% plus 30%, that is total 100. So if you do the calculations, if you compute this, you will get the answer as 36,000. So this is the number average molecular weight of this given polymer. Now let us see how do we calculate the weight average molecular weight. For the weight average molecular weight, we find the formula as summation of NiMi, that is weight. So the Ni in number average molecular weight is replaced with NiMi in the weight average molecular weight. Okay, and then the denominator also is weight. So summation a number is replaced with weight NiMi. So simplifying this, we get the formula as summation of NiMi the square upon summation of NiMi. So it is simple. Now we will substitute it. So on substitution, we get 30 into Mi into Mi. So molecular weight the square. So 20,000 square plus 40 into 30,000 square plus 30 into 60,000 square upon the total weight of the polymer mixture, which is the sum of 30% with 20,000 molecular weight, 40% with 30,000 molecular weight and 30% with 60,000 molecular weight. So adding this, we get the answer as 43,333. So we can see that the weight average molecular weight is always larger than the number average molecular weight. Okay, so this is the simple way to find the number and weight average molecular weights of the polymer. We'll take one more example to illustrate this. So second numerical. So this one states that a polymer sample has 50 grams and 100 gram of polymers of molecular weight 12,500 and 15,000 respectively. Determine the number average and weight average molecular weight of the polymer sample. So as we can see, in this problem also there is no direct number is given. Instead, we are given the weight of the polymer sample, 50 gram and 100 gram, and their molecular weights. Now in this type of problem, let us see how do we calculate the molecular weight. So let's find out the first case, number of molecules, not moles, molecules, Ni, by finding the weight upon molar mass. So if you number, so number Ni into Mi molecular weight will give you the weight of this sample. Okay, so we know approximately what is the weight of the each polymer units. So we will make a small table to make the computations. Okay, so let's begin. So in the first column, we will make write the weights. The given weights are 50 and 100. Then write down the molecular weights, 12,500, 15,000. We are doing this fractions calculations because we will substitute these in the formula for Mn bar, that is number average molecular weight, and Mw bar, the weight average molecular weight. Okay. So we will take a product of weight into the molecular weight, that is Wi Mi. So this is 6.25 into 10 raised to 5. This is 100 into 15,000 because 15 into 10 raised to 5. Now the number of molecules of each sample will be Wi, the weight, upon the molecular weight. So say 4 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is 50 gram divided by the molecular weight, 12,500. Then 100 divided by 15,000. So that becomes 66.66 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. Then we will add the total weight of the polymeric molecules. Is 50 plus 100, that becomes 150 grams. Then we compute summation of Wi Mi. So this is Wi Mi. So this 6.25 plus 15, that becomes 21.25 into 10 raised to 5. Okay. Then summation of its Ni, that is Wi upon Mi. That becomes 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 plus 6.66 into 10 raised to minus 3 is 10.66 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, now with all these calculations, now it's very easy to substitute in the formula for Mn bar. So Mn bar is summation Ni Mi upon summation of Ni. So since the weight of the sample is mentioned, we will transform this formula in the weight, in terms of weights. So now we can see Ni Mi is replaced with weight Wi. Right, and then let me use a pen. So Ni Mi gives the weight of the polymer sample. Then the denominator is Ni here. So here we will substitute it with NiMi upon Mi, that gives you Ni. So that becomes Wi upon Mi. So in terms of this weight, now the weight is given 50 and 100. So we will represent it in terms of these weights. So this formula is represented in the form of weights of the given sample. Alright. So we say Wi upon Mi. This is known to us. We have calculated summation Wi over here. Okay. And then summation of Wi upon Mi is here. So let's substitute. So it's simple. 150 upon 10.66 into 10 raised to minus 3. Correct? So the answer is 14,071.29. Now in the same manner, we will see how to find out the weight average molecular weight. Now see, for weight average molecular weight, the formula is summation of NiMi, the weight, into Mi upon summation NiMi. So we are representing the number in terms of the weights. So Ni is the number and NiMi is the weight. Therefore this is known as weight average molecular weight, and this is known as number average molecular weight. Okay, so simplifying it further, we get it. So we substitute for NiMi as Wi. So this is Wi into Mi. So Wi-Mi upon summation NiMi, that is summation Wi. So now this formula is represented in terms of the weights of the polymer samples. So it is Wi-Mi upon summation Wi. So we have completed already. See, summation Wi-Mi is 21.25 into 10 raised to 5 and summation Wi is 150. So we will substitute that. 21.25. Answer is 14,166.66. So again we observe that MW bar, the weight average molecular weight, is larger than the number average molecular weight for the same polymer sample. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to find out the number and weight average molecular weights in this part. So do solve the problems which are given for practicing, and in case you have any doubts, do ask. Okay, you may contact me anytime. Thank you.